Hi, my name is Michael Glenn, known as the Rolling Pilot, and this is Prescott. So my first ride in a balloon was 2 weeks old. I've been around balloons my whole life, and I got my license in 2006, which made me the first guy in the world to fly balloons in a wheelchair. So I travel all over the world telling people about achieving your dreams and seatbelt safety. To me, I'm no different than anybody else. I just happen to do it in a wheelchair. My legs are now a wheelchair. I used to play it all the way to college sports up until I was 21 years old. So I've been very active my whole life. Tonight was a little bit breezy. Balloons are meant to fly in the sky, not necessarily be tied off to the ground. Then we decided to set up the basket and entertain the crowd. The coolest thing is no matter what age you are, you turn into that 10-year-old kid. We all have that little pyromaniac side of us and like to play with flame. We get to be big dragons and shoot flames in the air. So it's a cool experience for everybody. Truthfully, I feel more safe in my hot air balloon than I ever do even rolling through a parking lot at, like, say, a Walmart or a grocery store or anything like that, because cars will just back up towards me where I'm sticking below the bumper. Flying the balloon, I'm in control, and I'm always going to do everything I can to make it the most safe that I can. Live your dreams and do everything you want. It is an amazing experience, and there's no better way to start your morning than going up ballooning, or just come out and experience it. We're all about sharing the sport. And if you ever want to follow my story, you could just follow Google Rolling Pilot or on Facebook, any social media, and that's me.